Welcome back to QA Vault. In this video, we'll learn about system testing, what it is, why it's needed, and the real-time example. System testing is part of black box testing. Before we dive deeper, here's a quick recall of where it fits. System testing is performed on the complete and fully integrated application. Here, we validate the end-to-end behavior of the system against business and functional requirements. In system testing, we test the entire application from start to end. The focus is on validating user flows and business requirements rather than individual modules. Let's take an online shopping application as an example. In system testing, we verify the complete flow, from user registration to payment and order confirmation, to ensure the system works as expected. System testing ensures that the application works as a complete system. It helps identify defects that may not appear during integration testing and prevents critical production issues. System testing is performed after integration testing is completed. It is done before UAT to ensure the system is stable and ready for end users. System testing includes both functional and non-functional testing types. In upcoming videos, we will deep dive into each of these testing types. System testing begins only when integration testing is complete. It ends when all critical defects are fixed and the application meets quality standards. Integration testing focuses on interaction between modules. System testing focuses on validating the entire application from a user's perspective. System testing is usually performed by QA engineers or independent testing teams to ensure unbiased validation. In summary, system testing validates the complete application as a whole. In our next video, we'll deep dive into smoke testing. Thanks for watching.